Hi guys, today I'm back with another craft. Now, I bought a packet of all different shapes from AliExpress, and in there were these two little lovelies, these little hot air balloons. So I thought I'd make them into earrings using UV resin. So I have obviously placed them down on some UV tape, and I'm just going to fill them up with some UV resin. So I'm going to do two-tone coloured, so I'm just going to do a light purple there and a dark purple there, glitter added to clear UV resin. So let's see how this turns out. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the lighter colour in the middle. I'm just going to do these darker colours carefully. Okay, they've overflowed a bit, but it won't matter that side. Now, I'll just put those under the UV lamp for a minute each side and I'll be back. Okay, so they've had a minute each side. And there they are. See, as you can see, they went over the edge there, but it really doesn't matter on this side. Well, let me put a jump ring on these guys and I'll be back with the finished product. And there you have it, guys, the finished product. And haven't they turned out super sweet? Now, I've just added a jump ring and some hoops. You could make it a pendant. You could do a lot of things with these. They are just so versatile and such a super quick, easy craft to do. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and catch me next time for some more resin crafting. Bye, guys.